Urobo wado, Urobo wado, Isoko wado, Hi Izon Mini wado. Igbo, ti Yoruba, ti Hausa, Efik, Anang, be wrong. Koroko reje, meaning isi agwari. The thing wey be say na Yoruba take hail una so for Niger area. Although no presentation of cola, so and money to take wedge am. So make una no vex. All those ones we go fit do those ones later. The thing wey dey ground be say na sit down look Bola Ige dey wey dem come kill am for where e sit down dey look. The thing don pass me o. I just say make I talk my own o. Wetin dey there be say some people dey wey dem talk say dem be born leaders, dem be born rulers over everybody for the area. Dem dey beat their chest say dem be born rulers over everybody wey dey the area. And then on top of that, dem come dey even say dem no even want make Western education dey anywhere for Nigeria. No Western education, they say they no like am. But the thing wey dey there be say the bombs and guns wey dey take dey kill people na the Westerners dey produce am. So I no understand o. They say they no want Western education. Again, all the cows dem wey dey waka all over the place. Na so one of my friends wey for one seminar wey we attend talk say na so dey waka pass im farm. The only thing wey take make am know say na im farm na the way na the cow leg wey just dey match the whole place dey go. And you know say when cow dey waka pass one place dey chop anything wey dem see, na so dem dey leave shit behind. So wetin dem leave behind for im farm na shit and their cow leg wey dey take match all the crops wey e don invest, money wey im borrow for Bank of Agric. Na so dem chop all, mow all reach ground. Again, dem say na dem be leaders over you forever. Na you come be slave forever. Na question I dey ask o. Na you come be slave forever. Wey be say somebody go dey tell you say e dey beat im chest say na im be ruler over you forever. So I no know. As for me sha, I no dey chop cow again, even though I no dey Nigeria. But I go tell you one thing, even the Americans sef, go ask the Native Americans wetin cowboys do to them. But I pray say that no go be our lot o, because those people dey nearly wipe them patapata. They nearly finish all of them. So my only question now be say we go continue to dey waka with our own leg after we don see how they take bombs and guns displace people for their farmlands, from their homes, from their anything wey dem get, and then you go still waka go market, go buy cow meat, say you wan chop. All the people wey be say they carry their wives and daughters, rape them. Then they tie husbands for ground like goats, slaughter them. Then they go still carry their cows, waka come market. Then the people now will now get up, say that they go buy cow leg, because I know say una like cow leg well. They go come waka go buy cow leg, cow meat, bokoto, pomo. Say they go sit down for house. They chop. I just dey ask my own questions o. Me I no go fit dey look like this, then people go just dey say help, 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 help. But meanwhile, this simple method, make una not even eat the cow meat again. It's the cheapest way to protest. The cheapest. You not go spend money. In fact, you go save your money. Now, pork, chicken, turkey, tolo, duck, not dog, duck. Robo people, they call them pupuyeke. They chop. If it's too much, I go chop grass. Chop vegetable. Vegetarian is also very healthy. So, I don't know. You go see, you go run to the chop. Damn! You go to chop. Make una listen to wetin dey ground now. See wetin dey ground now.